This video is going to show you how to use the 5-bead CRAW tool, also known as a prismatic right angle weave. But we're going to get started by threading our needle and taking our thread. Now we can hold it with our thumb, or if you want to have a little bit more freedom, you put a little piece of tape there. Then you don't have to worry about what your left hand is holding. The first thing we want to do is go through one of the fake beads. Now we're going to use the same pattern. It's going to be 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. So whenever you have any of these right angle weaves, the first beads on the row are going to be 3. So you use 3 beads going through, and the last will be 1, and everything in the middle is 2. So there's 3, and we go through the next bead, and we need 2. So we pick up 2, and we go through the last bead that we just put on, and through the fake bead, come through, we go through another fake bead, and then we pick up 2 more beads, go through our last bead and the fake bead, go through the next fake bead, pick up 2, go through the last bead and the fake bead. Now at this point I could go through this last fake bead here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go up this one, because when I go around this circle, I only have to go through this bead once. And that's going to help when we go to take off the tool, because the first row of beads is going to come with it. And I don't want to have to go through this twice. It just makes it more difficult to take off. So I do 1. I'm going to go through. I'll go through the fake bead, come up. Now I'm going to go up the end, one of the side beads. Now we have to connect these 5. So I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to 2 at a time. I'll do 2. And then I'm going to do 2 more. This one kind of slanted, so we've got to pick them up. You have to connect 5. That's why I knew that it was slanted, because there weren't enough if I didn't take that one. Okay, and we want to make sure that we do a full round, so that we have thread coming out here, so we want to go through here. That's bead number 5, but we also have to do this one, because these 5 beads are going to be, when we take the tool off, those are going to be the very start beads of our piece. So now we'll do green so you can see it a little better. I'm going to do 3 and go through the next bead, and then we need 2 until we get to the very last, so we'll do 2. Go through the next bead, 2, go through the next bead, 2, now we're at the last bead, and you can either just continue to go through the next one, or I still like to do this, because it's actually one less bead that you have to go through when you come round. So I'm going to go through the bottom again, through the side, and we have 5 to connect. And I'll do 3 this time because I can reach it. And this time I think I'll just get to 2. 1, 2, and connect the very last one. So this is the 5 bead. Now I'm going to take this off. You wouldn't normally take it off at this point. You'd still use this to hold on to. Make the piece a little longer until you can hold on to the beads comfortably. But for the purposes of the video, we don't need to make it any longer. So to take this off, we pull the tape, and then we wiggle this a little bit, get the threads loosened up, and then we just go through here, and we're looking for the tail thread. So the tail's coming through here. So I believe that this will be right here, should be. I'll pull this up. It's going. I was going after a piece of plastic. Okay, and pull this, this, and the rest of it just comes off, and this becomes your floor or your starting point for your piece. If you like this, please like and subscribe.